how you can easily fix if your Samsung Wallet is not being downloaded from your Google Play Store. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. First thing you need to do is open up your Google Play Store, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then head over to your profile settings and you will find the network preferences. Tap on the drop down and from here you just have to choose this option and make sure that this is selected to over any network. Once you do that, tap on OK, head back to your home screen. Now you will have to open up your phone settings, scroll down to find app settings as well. And once you get to app settings, you will just have to find Google Play Store. And once you tap on Google Play Store, you just have to head over to the storage section and then clear its cache. Once you do so, head back to its app info, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and tap on uninstall updates. What this will do is it will uninstall the latest update, which might be causing the problem to download the Samsung Wallet app. After doing that, head back again, tap on Google Play Services, and then do the same thing. Go ahead and uninstall updates right here as well. And after doing this, just give your phone a quick restart like this, and you're good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys next time.